As we transition to a different side of the state, we're going to move over to St. Charles. I'd like to welcome in Nike Air Manufacturing. They're at the St. Charles facility, and they produce the Nike Revolutionary Air Cushion Soles. It's a tough yet flexible technology that allows athletes everywhere to elevate their potential to new heights. Thumbs up if you wore a pair of Nikes with an air sac cushion, and it's made right here in Missouri. I'd like to welcome the general manager and team leader from Nike Air Manufacturing, Cheryl Rennie, and her team of all-stars from Nike right here in Missouri. Cheryl, you have the shop floor. Welcome to you and your team.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm hungry after watching Quaker. So my name is Cheryl Rennie. I'm the general manager of Nike Air Manufacturing Innovation. We're also known as AirMI. We're located in St. Charles, and I'm coming to you live today from our facility. So we're the team at Nike that develops, engineers, and manufactures the air soles in your Nike shoes. We hope you enjoyed the video, gave you a really quick behind the scenes look at what goes on into making our air soles. So what exactly is Nike Air? Nike Air is a technology that consists of a pressurized air inside a tough yet flexible bag that we call the airbag. It gives athletes and everyday athletes like you a sensation of walking on air. So with every step, that Nike Air cushioning absorbs impact and immediately returns to the original shape to protect the body. And these innovations allow any athlete to perform harder and have flawless comfort. So you can actually see my favorite Nike shoe in my background. It's the Air Pegasus, which has a full-length Zoom airbag that's made right here in our facility. I love that Zoom airbag for the great cushioning that it provides, and I love flowers, so that happens to be my favorite shoe. So a little bit of background on myself and AirMI. So I have actually worked at AirMI for 25 years in different roles, including finance, operations, and manufacturing before becoming the GM. AirMI has been making Nike air soles right here in Missouri for more than 30 years. So today we have over 800 teammates in our St. Charles facility, and we're located in the Missouri Research Park. It takes a huge team of people working together 24/7 to make AirMI successful. So think about people who want to design and make product, our designers and engineers, people who operate the machines, our teammates in production, people who test the product to make sure it's excellent, our quality engineers, people who keep our machines running in top condition, our maintenance techs, people who focus on keeping our team and our facility safe, our environmental health and safety specialists and our security teams, and many, many others like planners, buyers, human resources, IT, finance, many people that help manage our people and our business. So Nike's grounded in making sport a daily habit for everyone. So we make sure to bring that to life in our own AirMI facility as well. For example, our facility has a brand new indoor basketball court and an amazing fitness facility. So during breaks, you'll see our teammates shooting hoops and working out. And with that, I want to hand it over to a few of our leaders to share more about their backgrounds and their roles at AirMI. So over to Dave Smith, Bernie Story, Will Carr, and Colette Kelly. Thank you.
Good morning. Thanks, Cheryl. My name's Dave Smith, Senior Director of Engineering here at AirMI. My degree is in mechanical engineering from Mizzou. I've been with Nike for 30 years. I lead a team of process, equipment, and electrical engineers in St. Charles and around the world who make the special plastic that's formed, that you saw in the video, that's formed into Nike air soles. It's all part of a process that's at least a generation ahead of anybody else in this industry. I've worked on some amazing products and innovations over the years, and even the air bubbles that you may have seen in backpack straps. My career journey at Nike actually started, I was a machine operator for extrusion. There was only about 5 people here at the time on the weekend. So I've worked in supervision, operations, worked in engineering. I did some consulting work in engineering in China for about 5 years, and I currently lead the engineering professionals here at AirMI and around the world. So in each role, the challenge of our materials and the process continues to be the most enjoyable part of the job. My favorite shoe is the 2017 Be True series of Flyknit Vapor Max. The shoe's not just a symbol of equality. It encompasses Flyknit, airbag dyeing that we do, and the Vapor Max. And we're all developed here at ARMI. And here I got a fun fact for you. Do you know that the visible bubbles that you see on the Nike shoes are actually many layers of proprietary materials? You can only see these layers under really expensive and professional, powerful microscope, but groups of these layers are about the width of your human hair. The ARMI team enjoys working on process and equipment that's so unique to our industry. It takes material scientists, equipment, process engineers, professionals in the quality and data fields, and hard work by the staff, working around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 360 days a year to keep everything going like a well-oiled machine. The teams here continue to be challenged in delivering the most innovative product to our consumers. Hey, take it away, Bernie.
Thanks, Dave. Hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Bernie Story, and I serve as the Quality Assurance Director here at ARMI St. Charles. I've been with Nike for almost 2 years, and I'm originally from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I have 2 master's degrees, and I'm currently working on my doctorate. I'm also retired military. The military played a significant role in my introduction to quality assurance. Both professions strive for professional excellence and the satisfaction of a job well done. My favorite shoe is the Air Max 2090, which you can see over my shoulder. The reasoning being of the outstanding air cushioning that under the foot helps to less foot stress after a good walk and run. My peers today will speak on the awesome manufacturing work that happens every day at Nike and how we all work together. The role that quality assurance provides helps to drive detailed focuses on the requirements that our internal and external customers, which are you, are completed. Now you're thinking, okay, that's great, but how does quality do that? Well, the quality assurance team ensures manufacturing standards are followed by conducting the inspections of products during and after processing. The lab ensures that all raw materials adhere to the correct specifications. And once all that data is collected, it's statistically reviewed for performance and giving a passed or a failed grade. Some of the academic pathways that can help in your pursuit in the quality profession are engineering, chemistry, business administration, are just a few of the inroads to quality. Critical thinking, problem solving, time management, and also decision-making round out some great skills for you to have as well. The highlights that I love for this job, it provides me the opportunity to help my team and peers grow professionally and to reach their career goals. I'm also a sneakerhead too. Always remember, Nike is constantly striving to innovate, and we're the go-to team to make sure our aerosols keep up with you, the athlete, and your activities and everything that you enjoy every day. Thank you, and please continue to do great things. Now on to Will and Colette. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Cheryl, Dave, Bernie, for setting us up for Colette us up, and I both up for success like you do every day. How you doing, everybody? My name is Will Carr. I serve as the production director for Nike ARMI here in St. Charles, Missouri, in the extrusion department. I lead and guide direct an excellent team of operators and salary team members, both in internal and external business. Extrusion is the process of melting plastic and reforming it into sheets and specific forms. As Dave mentioned, it's called TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane, also known as Nike airbags. Now, my favorite shoe, as you can see over my shoulder, are the Air Force Ones. Why? Because they're crispy and cool. But we cannot forget my second favorite, Nike Air Zoom Pegasus, because they're just like walking on air. That's right, Nike Air. As with any, I feel a connection with Nike airbags because extrusion makes the TPU that airbags are made out of. Now, I've been with Nike since December of 2019, but I've been working in manufacturing for 20 plus years. I have multiple degrees, qualifications, and certifications, but what I love the most is leading people and directing Nike's brand goals and objectives. Now, I've learned various business, people, and leadership skills throughout my career. I spent a lot of years in the Marine Corps as a major, and I even spent time with the FBI. I use a lot of these skills every day right here in manufacturing, critical thinking being one of the most important. For example, if we have an extrusion line that goes down for a myriad of reasons, we have to make the right business case, the right business decision in order to ensure that we're hitting our operational goals. I help the team through that, as well as help Dave and Bernie from a qualification or engineering, quality or engineering standpoint, making the right decision day to day. Now, what I also like to tell you that After I left the government services, I started off as a production supervisor, just like you all will. If you take this as an opportunity, I work to understand the business, people, and I develop myself as a leader within a supply chain function. And I slowly start to gain momentum within my career, and promotions of increased responsibilities start to happen. A little tongue tied. I only had 1 cup of coffee this morning. So let's keep going. All right. Now, why is production critical here at AirMi? As Cheryl showed you the video in the beginning, you cannot have Nike Air without extrusion TPU. The airbags that my department produces is at the very core of our Nike Air shoe. We are both consumers of the product and customers for our vendors and our material suppliers. What's the best part of manufacturing? It is always changing and challenging at the same time frame. We're always exploring new technology to keep our products on the cutting edge for our customers. And last but not least, there's lots of problem-solving opportunities, as well as finding the optimum processes to drive the right results. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. I'm going to pass it over to my peer, Colette Kelly.
You gotta just love Will's energy, because I certainly do. He helps me a lot. As Will just suggested, that my name is Colette Kelly, and I'm one of 3 production directors. Will is my peer. My favorite shoe is the Nike VaporMax Flyknit 3. And you know what? I could give you some technical reasons, but I won't. They're just really cool and they're comfortable. I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Missouri University of Science and Technology, where I played on the women's varsity basketball team. I also have a graduate degree in engineering and technology management from University of Dallas. I've only been with Nike for 2 years, but I have over 25 years of experience in manufacturing and operations. As a production director here at Nike, I'm involved with a lot of really cool things: problem solving, strategy creation, project development, project implementation, but most importantly, people development. And when I say people development, I am referring to helping people that work with me succeed in his or her current role and beyond. As a leader, I do what I can to challenge employees and help them grow skills to prepare them for the next level. And in some cases, it's not even in my organization. They can go and they grow beyond the production organization. And lastly, I mentor people that don't even report to me. This is actually the fun part of people development. There are lots of opportunities, as we mentioned, in production beyond just running our machines. People can start off as supervisors and move into higher level roles where they manage other team of technical people or supervisors or operators, or working with support teams to improve our overall performance. Our support teams include planning, engineering, quality, finance, facilities, operations, and a lot more. It obviously takes teamwork to ensure that manufacturing produces products for customers like yourself within the right time frame, at the right specifications, and at the right price. Last but not least, what I love about manufacturing is there's absolutely never a dull moment.
Hey, we got some great questions coming up, and Cheryl, if you're ready, we'll go ahead and pose them to you.
All right.
Sounds good. We're going to go live with Richland R1 School District. Richland, are you on the air?
Hello.
The air bubble in your shoes, are they stress tested?
Are the air bubbles stress tested? Yes, absolutely. We every airbag goes through very rigorous testing, including a stress test. We call it a chem test, but it basically it takes the pressurized airbag and beats it, literally beats it for a certain number of cycles to make sure that the air bubble won't pop. So yes, absolutely are stress tested.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Richland, did you have another question? I thought you might have had 2 there.
I think that was it.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Next, we'll go ahead and zoom in Northwestern R1. They have a live question for you, Cheryl.
Have you guys ever
Wait,
got,
one second.
have you guys ever got to meet any of the athletes you've signed or have signature shoes with?
Yes, actually, a lot of the athletes are involved. Our corporate headquarters is in Oregon, and a lot of the athletes are involved in developing their shoes specifically. But here in Missouri, we do have periodic athlete visits. So we try to focus on local athletes. We've had St. Louis Cardinals, we've had Kansas City Chiefs. We had a local hero, Bradley Beal, who plays for the NBA and actually went to school and grew up in St. Louis. So yes, that's one of the exciting things that we get to do for our teammates is bring in Nike athletes. We love it.
Awesome. I love Bradley Beal.
Amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent. I think we have one more question coming through, Cheryl. Dusty is out there watching on Zoom and video is having trouble. There he is. All right.
So we just had a bell schedule change, but my last hour in your intro video, you talked about the air pockets were filled with nitrogen gas and they wanted to know why nitrogen instead of something else.
Nitrogen is air. It's a clean air. So that's why it's filled with nitrogen.
Excellent. Awesome. Thanks for coming in, Dusty. Appreciate it. Well, Cheryl, we really appreciate all that you guys do day in and day out to make Nike Air shoes for all the students out there, and including myself. And so thank you so much for what your team does. Great insight into where Nike Air manufacturing is and where you're going. Thank you for joining us for Manufacturing Day.
Thank you. Have a great day.